installing your saddle, make sure to set up the seat post clamp in the position it suits the rider's position. The clamp has a tilt adjustment which is adjusted by the one side bolt clamping the saddle rails. There are 2 bolts attaching the clamp to the seat post. This allows the clamp to move forward and backwards, allowing a great amount of adjustability with the saddle in relation to the bottom bracket. Make sure once the clamp position is set to tighten the 2 bolts. Next, remove the side parts of the clamp by removing the single bolt. Leaving the center part of the clamp on the seat post, you can place the saddle rails onto the clamp. This also shows how the tilt works. Insert the bolt and one side of the clamp into one side and attach the other side and tighten the bolt. Before tightening completely, make sure to adjust the saddle position to suit the rider.